In this lesson, we're going to start working with the order by user endpoint. So in the Postman, let's open this endpoint. Well, this endpoint is basically a GET request. Well, this request will take the user ID and returns the list of orders. So let's try to create a method for this endpoint. Let me switch back to the Visual Studio. And let's copy this getProductById method. And simply paste it here. Right after that, let's rename this method to getOrdersByUser. Now let's copy the URL of your API endpoint and paste it here. If we go to the Postman, you can see that this request will return the list of orders according to the user. Let's pass the list of order by user class. Then make the return type of this method to task list of order by user. Alright, that's all from this method. Now I will see you in the next lesson.